DreamyTime. Bedtime stories for the kids. Benny the bear, a small cub with soft brown fur and wide, curious eyes, sat at the edge of the whispering woods. The moon, a giant silver coin in the inky sky, cast long, dancing shadows all around him. Tonight was a special night. He was finally old enough for a midnight adventure. Tilly the turtle, her shell gleaming like a dark jewel under the moonlight, slowly emerged from the tall grass. Her wise old eyes twinkled with anticipation. "Ready for our journey, little bear?" she whispered, her voice as soft as the rustling leaves. Together, they made their way to the crystal lake, its surface a mirror reflecting the starry expanse above. A small lily-pad boat awaited them, gently swaying in the cool night breeze. Benny carefully climbed aboard, followed by Tilly, who used her strong legs to push them away from the shore. As they drifted across the shimmering water, Benny and Tilly shared their deepest secrets. Benny told Tilly about his dreams of flying among the stars, and Tilly recounted tales of the ancient forest and the wise old owl who lived there. They laughed at silly jokes and pointed out the constellations that glittered like diamonds in the black velvet sky. The night seemed to whisper around them, carrying the scent of night-blooming jasmine and the gentle croaking of frogs. Benny realized that the greatest adventures weren't just about seeing new places, but about sharing those moments with a true friend. As the first hint of dawn painted the eastern sky with soft hues of pink and orange, they steered their little boat back to the shore, their hearts full of joy and their bond of friendship stronger than ever. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. DreamyTime.